This is a very large bungalow. Yeah, that have your queen size bed and high quality mattress and your own sofa and a manager grade for professional table. That's a high-speed internet cable connected for people playing computer games. And also a Samsung fridge provided so that you can keep your beer, and a high quality wardrobe that is a inside has the drawer, and this is a very quiet location and facing the garden. So you see a lot of birds, and our neighbor are $1 million housemates, and you have your own entrance that also the good thing is you also have your own toilet that is very convenient to you, so very high privacy when you bring friends over. And of course that is a this is a very high security house, so we install the security camera everywhere to ensure you are very safe. Thank you.